Hi everyone, today I am on site for checking out this newly installed platform lift, a great solution for making the buildings more accessible. I have recently installed 3 platform lifts in the same building. And this is simple, reliable and doesn't take much space. This Garaventa X3 platform lift gives you an easy access between the floors for those who are with the mobility challenges. It's smooth, quiet and designed with safety features like automatic safety arms, anti-slip flooring and the sensors of course. So you will be provided 2 call stations for calling the lift up and down, and the process is easy. You have to press and hold the button to the direction where you would like to call the lift. If you are thinking about adding accessibility to your site, definitely consider a platform lift. Thanks for watching.